Nomad Sculpt. Assemble mechanical parts. Okay, I switch to the Nomad app. Yes, you can sculpt every part your own. There are different ways to do this. You can sculpt such gears on a plane and scale it out and so on and so on. But if you only want to build an object or for example this parts here, you can arrange it and assemble it to a complete object. The easiest way is to get these files in the internet. There are two, yes, there are more interesting platforms. This is Sketchfab. You can create a free account, and when you search for an object, a propeller or a gear or something else, you find everything. This is Sketchfab, and the other thing is Thingiverse. You can search here also for every part you need to create objects and assemble it. For example, I'm choosing this propeller and I like it, and I click on download. It takes a few seconds. Yes, I load it. And now go to the Nomad app, and you can open your in the slide over. You can bring your files app, and here's a zip file. You can test it if the zip file works. Bring it here and drag and drop it inside, and now you can say move origin when the file is not where you want to have it. Reset the view, and the scale here at the bottom is the matrix. You can look for the scale, and you can see what the scale factor is. For example, if you need it for other objects. And now you can place it where you want it. You can, yes. Bring it in position. And give it a color. And this was Thingiverse, and here on Sketchfab it works the same. Sketchfab, you have to create an account. This is no problem. Download the 3D model, use the GLTF format, download it, zip file, and here's a propeller zip. and drag and drop it inside. Yes. Let's see. Scale factor 0.0. Copy. I test something. Yes, the scale factor is correct. I think, yes. No, it's correct. Okay, that's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.